Welcome to our Punny Valentine Day series. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA. Let's jump right in. We're going to draw an adorable little panda. So we want to start with two eyes, kind of in the middle of our paper. If you've drawn with me before, you know I love big eyes. Rectangle-ish shape around the eyes. The challenge is keeping them the same size. We're close to it. We're getting closer. Add your eye shape inside. Give them some hearts. It's the Valentine's Day one. Next, we're going to add some eyebrows and a little nose and mouth. We want the face and the mouth all kind of concentrated together so that it's close. So we want to put those in the middle. Then we're ready to add his head. I love fluffy animals. Rainbow ears. I think this one honestly works as a raccoon or as a panda, but you choose. And then I kind of curve across, giving him his blocky neck. Next, we're ready to add the feet and the body. So two ovals, proportionate to the size of the ears so that you have nothing crazy. I added little hearts for the toe beans and little ovals for the top. Beans. This can be smooth or it can be fluffy. We're going to add the curve over the top for the markings and some little paws. We're going to take our Sharpies and we are going to outline this guy next. Start with your eyes. And then we'll add the markings. Cute little nose and mouth. Those eyebrows. The face and head. Give him some rainbow ears. Cute little feet. You're seeing the bottoms of him because he's sitting up, so add his little toe beans. Add the sides of his body. On the bottom. Give him his stomach markings and his paws or arms. And there you have your adorable panda coon, ready for some punny different cards you could make. You could also add a cute little heart on his belly or a little heart over his head, or both. If you haven't, be sure to check out the other videos from this series. See you in the next one.